Hey there, are you staring at a frustrating black screen while the audio plays on your 40-inch Onn Roku TV? You're not alone. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix a black screen with audio on a 40-inch Onn Roku TV so you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows in no time. Step 1. Restart your TV. The simplest solutions can often be the most effective. Start by turning off your TV. Unplug it from the wall and wait for about 60 seconds. This allows the TV to completely reset. After waiting, plug the TV back in and turn it on. Check if the display issue has been resolved. Step 2. Check HDMI connections. Loose or faulty HDMI connections can lead to display issues. First, ensure that your HDMI cable is securely connected to both your TV and the streaming device. If the problem persists, try using a different HDMI port on the TV. Additionally, try swapping your HDMI cable with another one to rule out a faulty cable. It's crucial to ensure the cable supports the resolution of your content. Step 3. Perform a soft reset. If the screen is still black, you can perform a soft reset. With your TV on, press the following buttons in order on your Roku remote. Home button 5 times, up, rewind twice, and fast forward twice. This sequence will reset your Roku TV without erasing your settings, allowing it to clear temporary glitches that might be causing the issue. Step 4. Update software. Outdated software can also lead to malfunctioning displays. Go to the Roku settings by pressing the Home button. Then navigate to Settings, System Update. Select Check Now to see if an update is available. If there is, let it install before restarting your TV to check if this resolves the black screen issue. Step 5. Factory Reset. If all else fails, performing a factory reset may be your final option. Be aware that this will erase all custom settings and apps. On your remote, press Home, then navigate to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions. After the reset up your Roku TV and check if the display is functioning correctly. Step 6. Inspect your backlight. Sometimes the issue might be hardware related, specifically a faulty backlight. To check, use a flashlight by shining it on the screen with the TV on. If you can see faint images in the light, your backlight may be the issue, and you may need professional repair assistance. Having a black screen with audio can be incredibly frustrating, but now you know how to fix a black screen with audio on a 40-inch Onn Roku TV. From simple restarts and checking the HDMI connections to more involved situations like software updates and factory resets, each step brings you closer to troubleshooting this issue. Prioritize simpler methods before exploring hardware repairs. Hopefully, these instructions have helped fix your Roku TV to bring your viewing experience back to life. Enjoy your shows.